Hey, I'm Shannen. I'm studying nursing with TAFE International Western Australia. I'll show you what it's actually like. I wanted to do something that provides people with support and strength during their difficult moments in life. What really stands out to me is how realistic the training feels. It's very close to what you'd experience in a real clinical settings.
That's right. Our nursing students build their skills through simulation and supervised practice, so they can focus on safety, clinical judgment, and patient care as they learn.
Yeah, it helps you understand what's expected when you move into real healthcare environments.
Take your time, think through each step.
Yeah, got it. You build confidence step by step. The facilities feel like a real hospital environment. TAFE International Western Australia offers nursing training at multiple campuses, each with industry standard facilities. Follow me to check out another campus. Each campus has its own facilities that you'll find out working in the industry. Clinical placement is a major part of the course. It's where everything comes together. You practice your skills, build confidence, and feel prepared for work as an enrolled nurse. Studying nursing opens so many pathways. Working in hospitals, aged care, community health, or continuing on to further study. If you're interested in a career in healthcare, I highly recommend studying nursing at TAFE International Western Australia.